What's up, everybody, and welcome to my very first ride since the COVID-19 layoff. Yep, laid off from Mountain Motorsports on May, was it April? Gosh, March? I don't even know what month we're in. March 19th. Sad day, really. Anyhow, today is my first day out. It is now the 21st of April. Thank you guys for supporting me through this tough time we're currently going through. Man, this COVID-19 thing is just nuts, and the closing of businesses and laying off of people is just crazy. Anyhow, my goal is to keep you guys informed of the latest and greatest in the motorcycle space, and right now I'm on my way over to a shop called Mountain Motorsports to be able to have a conversation with the owner there, just down the street from my house, really local, really close, and they're one of the predominant shops here in the local area. Being on lockdown for nearly a month has been a lot of fun, actually. Being able to spend some quality time with the family and the kids. Literally, we get up in the morning and choose a project to do for the day. I mean, we built castles out of cardboard, we've made tire swings, rinsed on motorcycles, we fixed cars. I mean, it really has been a lot of fun for the kids. The racetrack made in the court, we race our scooters and race. Go! Here's the first corner. Baron takes the lead. Oh, this is a really fast sweeping corner. This one's really fun. Whoa, Baron, where are you, dude? Where are you, dude? I'm catching up. Whoa! He hits. Oh, Baron goes off the track. What? Baron cheated. I'm gonna win! Yes! Quality time with the family isn't something that I have a lot because I'm usually working quite a bit. But this COVID-19 lockdown has really let me have an awesome amount of time with the family and the kids. It's really been great. That being said, I want to be able to be fully functioning members of our society, so pounding the pavement in order to be able to get the next job that really puts food on the table and provides security for everyone. Wow, Walmart is packed. Well, take a look at that. Our parking lot is absolutely packed, and we're supposed to be on complete lockdown. Look at all the traffic here on the street. I mean, I'm going to an essential business, a motorcycle shop, to be able to check things out, look for employment, but man, the amount of people that are out on the road right now and in these parking lots is actually pretty staggering, you know, being since we still are in a full quarantine lockdown. Alright guys, here it is, Mountain Motorsports. About ready to step on into this facility, have a conversation with the owner, and to see what it looks like as far as us moving forward as partners in creating content for the internet. Just gonna make sure that we're parked 6 feet away from the next vehicle here in the parking lot. What's up, guys, and welcome to the channel. I'm Bradshaw. Thank you for tuning in. I'm currently standing here in front of Mountain Motorsports. This is going to be the local shop that I'm going to be coming to here during the COVID-19 lockdown and for the foreseeable near future in order to be bringing you guys new parts and accessories for reviews and detailed breakdowns. We're working on getting all motorcycle things set up so I can start giving you guys on-bike motorcycle reviews, but until that happens, we'll be sticking to just product reviews and breakdowns of those new products that come in. I'm going to take you on a quick walkthrough of the showroom. It's going to look a little bit different. It's probably the best sounding Mustang I've heard in a long time. Anyhow, right now I'm going to take you on a quick walkthrough of the showroom. Now, it does look a little weird because everything's roped off and you're not allowed to touch a bunch of stuff because of the restrictions from the COVID-19 situation. So beware of that. You know, anybody we see in the video is going to have face masks on as well, so that's going to be a little bit weird. But those are the times that we are currently working and living in. What's up, guys? Here we are at Mountain Motorsports. We're going to take a quick walkthrough of the facility. As you can see, it's a little bit crazy due to the pandemic. All the bikes are roped off. You're not allowed to walk around and touch any of them. Sales by appointment only if you're looking to get a vehicle purchased. But the service and parts counter are fully open and operational. So the service department is back over here. And of course, I've got lots and lots of side-by-side vehicles. That is one of the largest or fastest selling vehicle down here in Southern California.
How you doing, brother?
How's it going?
Anything we can help you out with, or just?
No, I'll do some video for you guys here in a little bit. I do a bunch of motorcycle reviews and stuff like that. So I'll be getting parts, taking them out and doing reviews and stuff like that. So
if you need me to say a line, bro, let me know.
Nice. So sad. Due to COVID-19, we're not allowed to try any gear on at the moment. There it is, just a quick walk through Mountain Motorsports.
Now, quick question, did you guys see anything inside the shop that you would like to see a review on? Because we've got access to everything inside that shop. So anyway, just wanted to give you a quick heads up of what's coming down the pipeline. I'm Bradshaw. Thank you guys for watching. For those of you who have decided to support me on my Patreon channel, I really appreciate it. And also a big thank you to those of you who have sent one-time donations through PayPal. It really helps make these videos happen. Thank you for joining. Till next time, take care and ride safe.
Well, there it is, guys. Mountain Motorsports in the distance. Well, that's going to be fun. The owner there was pretty awesome and basically granted us access to any part and accessory that we want to be able to do a review on.